there will be a lot of people who will tell you कि oh, this is impossible, you can't do it, that's not okay. Please delete such people from your life.
A beautiful day with Farzana Ali and Mahanur Malik. She is CEO of Tohfe Tahaif. She is a designer and she's a beautiful soul. Welcome Mahanur to 101.
Thank you so much Farzana for having me at 101.
Mahanur, आज हम start करेंगे this conversation with the story behind Tohfe Tahaif.
Absolutely, why not? So the story behind Tohfe Tahaif is that this concept that I've always loved about the sunnat of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, कि तोहफा देना और कबूल करना is a sunnat. So for me it had always been about giving thanks to my friends and people I love, and always seeing the happiness on their face when I presented something to them. तो खुशियाँ बांटना और खुशियाँ देना लोगों को, that's something that has been a motto of my life, and that's what I enjoy the most.
Mahanur, I love the idea of yours behind this Tohfe Tahaif, that as Prophet said that तोहफे देना और लेना सुन्नत है और खुशियाँ बांटता है. So same you started with.
Yes.
So while starting this project, any greatest fear that you had?
Yes, absolutely. So मेरे लिए ये हमेशा होता था कि मैं लोगों को, अपनी दोस्तों को जिस तरह कुछ दे रही हूँ या किसी के भी किसी इवेंट पे आई एम डूइंग समथिंग, तो इट वाज ऑलवेज लाइक अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ लाइक मेकिंग समथिंग. और मैं हमेशा चीज़ उस कॉन्सेप्ट से बनाती रही हूँ कि जब अगर कोई मुझे वो चीज़ दे रहा है या मैं वो रिसीव कर रही हूँ तो हाउ वुड आई फील अबाउट इट. एंड तो my friends, a few of my friends who received these presents from me, they always kept telling me कि why don't you do this as a business. And for me I was like नहीं ऐसे like it's just like a gift and कौन लेगा कौन करेगा, like लोग खुद भी बना लेते हैं. But they kept insisting कि नहीं, people do not have the aesthetic that you have. तो then I like मुझे बहुत बड़ा अरसा मैं इस चीज़ को करती रही, negate करती रही कि नहीं it won't work out and nobody's going to buy from me, and like लोग खुद कर लेते हैं, it's something very easy to do. But since they pushed me really कि नहीं you have to try it, so I just made like a small page and I just put up a few boxes that I had made, and surprisingly the first 4 posts I had shared उनके ऊपर चारों पे मुझे orders आ गए. So I was like really shocked and surprised कि oh my god, like seriously people are buying from me. So like that was my fear कि शायद कोई मुझसे नहीं लेगा, but like I was obviously proved completely wrong.
So Mahanur, can we share the contact information of Tohfe Tahaif here?
Yes, absolutely. Contact information मैं mainly online deal करती हूँ, so मेरा जो page का link है Instagram का तोहफे तहाइफ, वहीं पे आप मुझे इनबॉक्स कर दें. ऑल द पोस्ट्स आर शेयर्ड देयर. I've made it very easy for people कि मैंने अपने जो लगाए हुए हैं तोहफे, उनके नीचे उनकी प्रोडक्ट डिटेल है, उनके नीचे ही उनकी प्राइस भी मेंशन है. सो पीपल डोंट हैव टू गो बैक एंड फोर्थ कि मुझे DM कर रहे हैं कि जी प्राइस क्या है, प्राइस क्या नहीं होगी. प्राइस भी मेंशन है, प्रोडक्ट्स भी मेंशन है. All they have to do is just inbox me that this is the product we want to order and this is the date that we want to deliver it and where do we want to deliver it. Also I deliver nationwide, so उसमें ये है कि आप कहीं से भी बाहर के मुल्क से भी I get a lot of people who want to send gifts to their loved ones in Pakistan. तो उसमें मुझे वहाँ से भी ऑर्डर प्लेस कर देते हैं. आप जहाँ भी पाकिस्तान में डिलीवरी चाह रहे हैं मैं भेज देती हूँ.
So dear audience, I'm sure about that you're clicking on Tohfe Tahaif and Mahanur is getting plenty of orders after watching these interviews.
I hope so.
So Mahanur, what is the favorite part of Tohfe Tahaif?
The favorite part of Tohfe Tahaif is genuinely the happiness and like the feedback that I get from people who have placed orders with me, और जब उनके their loved ones when they receive the present and वो इतने मुझे दिल खोल के तारीफ़ें लिखते हैं कि आपने लाइक कमाल कर दिया है, एंड लाइक सो वेल थॉट एंड सो लाइक वेल पुट टुगेदर, एंड presentation and everything behind my gifts they have a story. Like there's this girl who just recently placed an order with me, and so her sister's husband has just recently passed away. So she had told me कि उसकी birthday है, तो she wants to send her something. So उसके पीछे there's a lot of like, for me there has to be a story behind that present. कि like there's going to be a candle which is going to have something written on it for her husband, and like a frame in which, you know, उनकी मियाँ बीवी की picture हो and साथ a beautiful poem with it. So for me, it's not just about like a product or service. It's more of like something ethical behind it, like some sentimental value behind it. So like it's very personalized, everything that I do.
So well, Manu, would you like to share the moment of accomplishment?
Moment of accomplishment honestly has been के like, you know, my fear के शायद कोई मुझे इतना seriously नहीं लेगा, but since I've received so much love from my followers and my customers who have been so regular in ordering with me, so that for me is like a huge accomplishment.
Manu, since you're looking very beautiful today, you know, and I'm feeling envy like that, okay? So, Manu, you are a designer too.
जी बिल्कुल.
So, I hope you're wearing something, you know, out of Manu's wardrobe?
Yes, personal Manu's wardrobe
Oh,
for
yes.
sure. Yes, I am a fashion designer by profession. That has been my field for the past 13 years now. So, like a little bit creative element comes from that end also. So, I mean, I'm very basic in styling, nothing like too branded, too like, you know, expensive. Basic, easy to wear, that's what I go for generally.
So, well, Manu, as you said that you're working with the fashion industry for past 13 years.
Yeah.
How the fashion industry was different at that time than today?
Okay, so 13 years पीछे आप अगर ले जाएं, every 5 years, you know, there's a rapid change. हम लोग बहुत fast pace हो गए हैं अब. जो 13 years back, things that were like considered very expensive have become ridiculously expensive now. So, I mean, fashion maybe, of course, there have been a lot of changes. Pehle brides simply, you know, lehenga, choli, dupatta pehen liya. Now they want to wear gowns with trails and like, you know, modern, thoda sa, you know, contemporary cheezein chahiye hoti hain logon ko. So, ab hamara fashion has become a little more contemporary. Rather than too traditional. I personally am a very ethnic person and I like, you know, classic things and classier things. But, you know, when a lot of brides come to me, they're looking for more of a modern silhouette and more of a modern look to go with. So it's like, you know, very much like that.
So let's come to some out of the box questions. And what is happiness to Manu?
Happiness to me is see my parents happy, to make them happy, to be around them and to take care of them.
The latest book you read?
The Quran Majid. That's what I've been reading for the past couple of years with tafsir. So that's my only focus in life right now. I mean, लोग बहुत fast paced भी उस चीज़ को पढ़ते हैं, थोड़ा सा जल्दबाजी में पढ़ते हैं. मुझे like I'm saying कि it's been the past 5 years मैं अभी उसको तफसीर के साथ पढ़ रही हूँ. So मेरी pace उसमें slow है and I cannot read any other book because that's what I'm focusing on right now.
And what Manu enjoys the most?
I enjoy the company of my friends. I enjoy a one-on-one with like a close friend of mine. With my cousins, my family, like I'm more of a family-oriented person, and you know my friends are also my family, so that's where my strength comes from.
Any message for the women who are watching this conversation?
For sure, yes. Women empowerment के बारे में बहुत बात की जाती है, but like you know we as women, and I myself, I'm saying this with experience, के we do not believe in ourselves. We do not believe that you know we can accomplish certain things in life. But if we put our mind to it, if we have the support, the right kind of support system around us, people who are bringing positivity in your life, there will be a lot of people who will tell you, okay, oh, this is impossible, you can't do it, that's not okay. Please delete such people from your life because you only need positivity in your life and you should only be in such company that supports you, that brings the best out in you.
It's a beautiful message, Manu, as I hope the people will delete the negative thoughts and negative people from their life and they only think about the positivity. Thank you very much. It was a beautiful conversation. We had a great time and you rocked.
Thank you so much.